Hey everyone, excited to share some killer workouts that'll help you shed those extra pounds fast. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're looking to ramp up your routine, these exercises are designed to maximize fat loss and increase muscle tone. Ready to dive in? Let's get moving. First up, we're talking high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This isn't your leisurely jog in the park. HIIT combines short bursts of intense exercise with periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. Why does it work? Because it pushes your body to its limits, burning a ton of calories in a short amount of time. Try incorporating activities like sprinting, burpees, or high knees. Aim for 30 seconds of all-out effort followed by a minute of recovery. Repeat this cycle for about 15 minutes and you'll feel the burn. Next, let's talk strength training. Now I know what you might be thinking, isn't that just for building muscle? Well yes, but it's also fantastic for weight loss. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, which means you burn more calories even when you're not working out. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once, making your workout more efficient. Aim for 3 sets of 8, 12 reps with weights that challenge you. Don't forget about consistency, it's key. You can't just work out hard one day and take the next 3 days off. Aim to work out at least 4 times a week, mixing HIIT with strength training for the best results. And remember, diet plays a crucial role too. Pair your workouts with a balanced diet rich in proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats to fuel your body and see those pounds drop off. Lastly, keep yourself motivated. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Maybe you've lost a couple of pounds, or maybe you've just managed to work out 3 times this week. Whatever it is, recognize your effort and keep pushing forward. Alright, that's a wrap on today's quick guide to losing weight with pro workouts. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one day at a time and you'll get to your goals. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fitness tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.